Going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol GAHC. I see this one being talked about over here on investorshangout.com. Nice volume, earnings due in 4 days. So going right off the top, I see that. Where's the other one at that I seen? Penny bound right here. Again, see it right here on the what's hot. Nice volume. So there's definitely mentions of it. And you see the sheep wolf again over this one. The only blockchain pure play, the OTC DD here. Man, this guy, everybody, like watching the stream, I talk about this member quite a bit. This is another must follow member, Sheep Wolf. This guy, again, look at the date here. All right, now pay attention to what's going on. I mean, 11/22. Let's see, he was a little behind on that one. So, but he's on these. I mean, he's watching these things before they take off. So, again, GAHC. We're gonna jump through this one. We went through this one on a stream here. When was that? Okay, over here. This on October 3rd and 4th. On the 4th, we went through this, and I said to put this one on hold. I needed some more to watch, okay? And look at what happened. Not taking bragging rights, not taking any of that stuff for that current period, okay? Because when we do these videos, I'm only talking about an area right here. I'm not talking about, oh, you know, I can't watch, I can't do these videos myself without somebody else calling them. If another member calls them, you know, way back here, and it takes off, hey, more power to you. I like to stay in a few days here range of what we're looking at. For this member, I'm sorry, for this one right here, we had this big pop, okay? So we looked at it right here. If you would have kept an eye on this, it dropped off, but then it took off, okay? That volume came in around October 18th. See if Joe could pull up something on that then, whatever happened on the November, rather, 17th, 18th. The Bollinger Bands got tight together. The simple day moving averages got tight together, and it took off. Once it took off, you had a few days, a huge run. I mean, from 0010 hitting a high of 0058. That's a big gain for you guys right there. So congratulations on the winners there. Come back down, just went sideways again, like a reset here. So now let's take a look at where we're at. The volume seems to be picking up here in the last 4 days. Okay, this volume continues to pick up. You break down through that 10-day, you're going to be right up to the 001415 area very quickly, in my opinion. Not too much off of that. Once you get through the 20-day at the 0018, you could take off. So when I say that, keep in mind that it can also reverse. So right now, 0011, you are right now currently through the 30-day simple moving average of 0011 right now at the 10-day simple moving average. Let's get above that and get to that 12 area. If you can get a close above that, I think that you can get up to the 0015 fairly quick. You're going to look at the 20-day now at the 18th. Get through that one, you can take off. Now, if it bounces off of that 30-day, it could come back down to that 10-day. If it rejects off of here, you could go down as low as the lower Bollinger Band, which you've seen back here in the past. Okay, so let's pay attention to this one right now. If this volume continues to what you're seeing right now, this one could definitely break out. So GAHC, like I said, I've seen this one being mentioned over here on the site. I think that it's got potential. 0011 up 22% today. Joe, would
We
you
went
like to
over
add?
this one before.
Yes, we did. We did on
this,
the October, early October.
Okay. Yeah, because then on November, their last press release was on November 28th, and they were announced GES continues to further the relationship with Smartmatic, utilizing software technology for 3 additional elections. So these guys do something with like elections. And let's see. Global Election Services, GES, that's the abbreviation, Global Election Services, has continued to further its relationship with Smartmatic by utilizing proprietary software and personnel for 3 more elections. In the first election, GES used software to register and confirm a member's eligibility status for an in-person on-site vote and the subsequent tabulation of the election results. The second 2 elections involved the use of a software to validate the register the eligibility of members of returned mail ballots and then tabulating the election results. So I mean, these guys have a lot to do with like elections. I'm not really sure. I remember before we looked into it, like Smartmatic, they're the one they have a relationship with is founded in the U.S. in 2000. Smartmatic is the leading provider of voting technologies and solutions worldwide. So I mean that's a big company to have a relationship with. And obviously, I mean, if you watch the news, there's always an issue with the freaking election process, which makes absolutely no sense to me. Because I mean, in this day and age, you can't tell me that you can't just straighten that shit out. You can just,
Story time.
yeah, story time. Yeah,
No,
I'm putting on my thing.
no, I'm just kidding. I
I'm
think
putting on
that's
my
just,
shoes right now. I'm changing my sneakers right now.
hey, you know what? It's all in good humor, good fun.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, so this is something to watch for. I mean, this company right here, maybe, I mean, they're creating this relationship with Smartmatic, which is the, the leading provider of voting technologies and solutions worldwide. That's always a good thing. So whatever they have for their proprietary software, maybe there's a solution to these issues that we're having within these things, or a partial solution, and that's that. Other than
okay,
that, it's, I mean, I can go through the filings and stuff like that, but I don't really.
that's cool. I mean,
All right, cool.
uh,
Keeping it simple.
yeah, like I said, you know what? I think that's about it. We don't. I mean, we can take a look at maybe one or two more. So GAHC. Check it out, investorshangout.com/live. If you're watching this one, watching this video, watching the live stream, like I said, everybody that's new here, everybody that's coming in, we welcome you all. It's unlimited, completely free, unlimited posts, unlimited messages, unlimited data, everything that you guys could use free, even free live streams. I mean, you can't beat that stuff. So, keep that in mind, okay? And we ask you, the only thing that you could do to really pitch in to help us, two things, small things. We don't ask for much. When you log in, your second time or third time, randomly we'll throw up we'll throw up a offer page, okay? That daily offer. So when you log in, you'll have a bunch of offers. If you're interested in those, select them all and just click submit. They're newsletters from our sponsors, and that is exactly how you can basically, people have asked me and Joe many times in the past, how can we donate? How can we help you guys? Something simple like that. I mean, there's a lot of server costs and a lot of stuff that, we pay for in the back end to keep the site up and going. So keep that in consideration. The second thing you can do is get out there and share the site. Go on Facebook, go on Twitter, go on other sites or whatever you can do. Share the site with other people. All right. And the bigger that you build the community, the more people you have to work together. Keep that in mind. So we definitely appreciate that. This is stock ticker symbol GAHC.